Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Trisnawati and I'm from Group 6, Indonesia. And please call me Trisna. Today, I like to talk about understanding CodeWiz hardware. So this was I got from the training. From the training, we'll talk about what CodeWiz is, and then second, how to use CodeWiz, and third, install Coding School 3 program. So let's learn about what code is. What is CodeWiz? CodeWiz is a smart all-in-one board that can complete software, IoT, and maker educations on one board. It includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and sort of sensors for various education projects. So let's take a look at CodeWiz components. These are various kits of CodeWiz. These are CodeWiz sensor board, and this is connection cable. So how to use CodeWiz? Now look at the sensors one by one. There is a microphone sensor receives an ambient sound input, and the button sensor tells you if the button is pressed, and the light sensor receives the ambient light input. It also supports code blocks to measure the intensity of light. And distance sensor tells you the distance from CodeWiz. It also supports code blocks that can measure distance values. The buzzer sensor rings the buzzer. It also supports a code block that can output a scale of 7 octaves. Next is the touch sensor notifies you when it detects touch. It also supports a code block that can detect 6 touch sensors. The sensors illuminate the NeoPixel, supports code block that can adjust the brightness of 5 NeoPixels and 256 colors. The Hall sensor receives the strength of the magnet. It supports code blocks to measure the strength of a magnet. And the temperature sensor detects the temperature around it. It supports code blocks to detect temperature. And outputs letter shapes and pictures to OLED. It also supports rich code blocks that can utilize OLED. It supports Wi-Fi when CodeWiz is connected to Wi-Fi. It becomes a server so that you can control it from a web and import data from a web server. The Bluetooth is supported. You can control CodeWiz with your smartphone by connecting CodeWiz to Bluetooth. And after installing the Coding School 3 program, make sure to click the Connect, Install CodeWiz library menu while the internet is connected. I hope these explanations will be useful for you, and thank you for watching. Hope you will get more benefits from these explanations. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.